Hey Wales, good morning. Happy Thursday. So coming into this week for Tesla, we're expecting Tesla to continue pushing off of its lows to essentially make five waves to form a bullish sequence. Now, the problem that I see right now is that Tesla did only put in three waves so far, a 1, 2, 3. We don't have a 4 and a 5 yet, right? So this is very similar to companies like Meta right now, as well as Amazon, where they're calling for a lower marginal low. They're calling for lower. So hence, we cannot rule out the fact that if Tesla cannot start pumping right now and cannot break above this sort of high on the wave three and make a fifth wave, we can expect another marginal low, very similar to those other tickers, right? So if you take a look at Meta, Meta's calling for lower, an ABC towards marginal new lows. You can also see for Amazon, Amazon is also calling for a marginal low, right? An ABC structure towards the downside. The reason why is because these retraces have been pretty deep compared to instruments like Palantir, Netflix, Google, right? So you can take a look at sort of Palantir as well. Palantir has put in five waves, 1, 2, 3, 4. This could be a 5, or we're working on a fifth wave already. We can see it's a bit more bullish compared to companies like Tesla. So if I go back to Tesla here, we cannot rule out the fact that this second wave alternative, right, the bottom could be in here rather than where we are right now. Okay. Now, if Tesla does do a 5 wave, we have a 1, possible 2, and now we can start that bullish sequence towards the upside. So on the 30-minute time frame, if you go down to the 30-minute, so now, because Tesla could be in a bearish sequence with sort of this lingering, we're just waiting patiently, right? There's nothing really we should be doing at this point. It could be a 50-50. So the smarter move is that if you did not get into these lows here, and if you did not get into lows here, there's really nothing you should be doing. You should be waiting for Tesla either to make a fifth wave high, and then you can buy the dip on the A wave or the C wave, because there will always be dips, or you wait for this marginal low and you can go in on lower prices, right? Especially as sort of the markets continue to structure up. Because when it does make this low, you have a weekly bullish divergence that's going to start to form. So it's going to be a great buy um, if it does break down. So for me, right, I'm just going to be patiently waiting, just waiting to see whether or not we make 5 waves in or if we break down. I'm in other instruments right now. I'm trading other instruments. And till then, have a great rest of your weekend. It's going to be a 3-day weekend, so we'll see how the markets play out over those 3 days. Talk to you guys soon.